Oh God, I hope Howard's a tow truck vlogger. Vlogging Howard. My car. Oh no. My car was hit in a parking lot. It's like, what time is it? 6:27. I probably got into this parking lot at like 12:30 or something like that, maybe a little bit after, to get one thing from Target. And then I was in Target for a while. I come out to my car and it looks like this. My poor car that I take absolute awful care of.
Sorry, I was trying to get my hair looking nice for Howard.
We've had quite the day, really, on the phone. Really some hilarious... I wish I had those phone calls recorded.
Oh my god, that fucking, like, Bahamian lady. Oh, the lady who was like, gold? Cool.
My car is gold.
I was gonna pee in my pants.
And she was like, what color is it? I said gold, because it's gold. It's like a beigey champagne color, but it's, you know, gold.
It's fucking Honda Accord colored.
And
all of them are that color.
It's Honda Accord colored, flavored.
Yeah.
And she was like, gold. Cool.
But there was also like, I'm not fucking kidding, like maybe 5 to 8 seconds of pause between gold. Cool.
That was so funny.
It was so like...
I was cracking up. I had to like cover my mouth.
Yeah.
And then the other woman was like, fuck, it was like an ASMR Twitch streamer.
Yeah.
And she was like she was like, thank you. Yes.